Well, Florida still seems to be flattening the curve. Governor Ron DeSantis is turning his attention to the Bay Area, using Hillsborough County as an example of case numbers slowing down.
They had 6 cases yesterday. I mean, this is a county that has 1.4 million people. They had 12 cases the day before that.
So many local leaders are still urging caution moving forward, as Hillsborough County is close to 1,000 cases. Another person in Hillsborough County has died, bringing the total number to 21 deaths. The Bay Area has more than 3,100 cases. Florida saw more than 700 new cases on Wednesday to more than 28,500.
Today marks 1 week until the state's safer-at-home order expires. But what does all of that mean exactly for all of us? Can the state open back up for business, or will the order be extended? We all want to know. 8 on your side's Deanne Roberts is live with how the state and Bay Area communities are working to reopen and then get some sort of normalcy back for businesses, workers, and families. Deanne?
Good morning, David. So many people are just itching to get back to normal, and today the Reopen Florida Task Force, they're meeting trying to figure out if and how this is even possible. So many different areas in our counties, they've already begun those discussions about how do we get back to business as normal. Sarasota County just announced it's reopening county beaches for exercise on Monday. Polk County tells 8 on your side it plans to reopen the area on May 1st. Even theme parks across the state are trying to figure out ways to get their gates back open. However, Tampa's Mayor Jane Castor and St. Petersburg Mayor Rick Kreisman say they're in no rush.
Our numbers are different. What's happening in our communities is different. I hope we're at least given that latitude and the recognition that the science in our community could be different than the science elsewhere.
Both Kreisman and Castor hope whatever Governor Ron DeSantis decides to do in regards to reopening Florida still allows local governments to make whatever decisions they see are best. That task force will meet at 10 o'clock this morning. I'm live in Tampa. Deanne Roberts, 8 on your side.
And more testing could be key to getting people's lives back on track. That's why even the governor wants to put 2 walk-up test sites in Hillsborough County, helping those without access to cars. Now, the idea is to get more data to see just how widespread the virus really is, and then use the information to develop a plan to safely reopen businesses. Experts believe widespread testing could also help people feel safe enough to go out again. 8 on your side spoke to some people at one of the newest drive-up test sites who say they hope the push is for the right reasons.
I think that's about the only way we're going to be able to do it. Opening things up without being tested, it's ridiculous. I don't want to be a guinea pig for financial gain, and I think that's what they're doing. They're more worried about the money than the people.
8 on your side has all 5 testing sites listed on our free WFLA app this morning, and we'll update it as more open up. And Sarasota County is opening up a new drive-through testing site this morning at the Laurel Civic Association from 8 until noon. There are just 50 slots available, and you do have to make an appointment by calling the number on your screen. This is only for people with symptoms of COVID-19.
Now, the House is poised to vote today on a much-needed second round of relief for small businesses struggling at this point just to stay afloat. Thousands of small businesses have been closed for weeks, and the federal government's first round of aid ran dry before many of them could get the help that they desperately need. Well, this next round of funding will set aside more than $300 billion for the Paycheck Protection Program. 20% of that, we've learned, in terms of the money, will go to smaller banks and credit unions to help get businesses the money much faster. The bill already passed the Senate, and the president has signaled that he will sign it. Now, the bill is welcome relief to many, but it would still be just a drop in the bucket in terms of the long term. Manatee County-based Dakin Dairy Farm has already had to dump 7,000 gallons of milk. It's not good. Now, reps there tell us that demand is evaporating with restaurant closures and schools transitioning to e-learning. The community is stepping up to help raise money to help save the farm and get milk to those in need. So far, a GoFundMe page has raised roughly right around $1,000.
Time now is 6:06. Publix is helping local farmers help their communities. The grocery store chain is buying fresh produce and milk from local sources and then donating the products to food banks. The goal is to buy more than 150,000 pounds of produce and more than 43,000 gallons of milk, all in a week's time. Two sites handing out free food to families in Hillsborough County ran out of food. The county imposed new restrictions on the sites after officials say people collected food from multiple locations last week. Some were even caught trying to sell some of that food online. The county has not indicated whether that happened again or if those two sites simply had very high demand.